Hey guys, this is a Mercedes-Benz 2015 GL550, and then I got cylinder 8 misfire. The misfire start a couple of days ago, but remember cylinder 1 you start from the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is the last one, and then when you come in here up front, that's 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 is the last one. I just replaced the last one. This is the tool unit, T8 socket, special socket, and then you need a 40mm for spark plug. You see, this is 12 point. Okay, I use a magnet one to remove it. After you remove it, guys, you gotta use a picker. Use a picker. You slide this out, and then you put something under this clamp. You remove it. You pop it out, and then you remove the air box. Set it up aside, guys. Please subscribe and share. Okay. God bless, guys. I'll bring you more video. Mercedes-Benz.